Hey everyone, so what I'm going to do today, I'm going to show you guys how I put on my slip bobber, how I do it. So I get these guys here, buy them from Walmart. They got a little slit in them, so when you do tie it down, you can pull the, let me get a little closer. So you slide your line through there to the other end. You just pull your line through. So these they have little plastic things on them. They have a slit on them. The ones I buy have a slit on them, so I don't know if all of them do. So basically, it has this little line here. It's got the little knot on it, if you guys can see that. So you just cinch it down. I don't cinch it down all the way, like super tight to begin with. That way I can able to move it, and then I get the rest of my stuff set up. So I like to use these bobbers here. I buy them at Walmart. They have the little push down buttons, but I cut those off, and then buy some other bobbers that have the little black stoppers on them. So I just shove them down in there, so it goes down. That's the end part, or the top part, and then the end part almost goes to the bottom. So that way, so your hook doesn't get caught on that. So I just slide that in there, just like you would any bobber stopper. Just slide it through there. Just pull it out. I mean, I don't tie anything crazy with the braid line I use, but I just double set the line, cross over, and mosquitoes. So I just put it in, bring it through. It's almost like tying a knot. Slide it through one time. Then you have the loop. Then you just get your hook. You get your hook and just slide it through. And then you grab both lines. Both lines, your main line and the little tag line. Bring them, tighten. Now with I like to get it wet. The little stopper, the line stopper. Then cinch it down, and then you just cut the extra line off. Just make sure you don't grab your fishing line when you cut this, because then you gotta start all back over again. And then there's the little stopper there. So when you set a depth, the bobber will go up, and it would stop. It'll stop right on that. And then this here, you can always adjust it. Just grab this in, and you can adjust it easily. Just slide it to whatever depth you want. But I'm gonna make it smaller. That way you guys can see it in the picture. So this is how it's done here. You got your jig, then your bobber, and then your stopper. See the green stopper there? So when you throw it out, it'll be like this. Then when you throw it out, it'll stop on that stopper. It'll stop right on that. So whatever depth you have it set at. So whatever depth you have it, that bobber stopper would just stop right there. It'll be just like that. That's how I do my bobber stopper setup. So I'm gonna go out and hit the creek. You guys stay tuned, stay connected, and hopefully we can get on some crappie for you guys. You guys take care. See you on the water. got some crappie hanging out over here in the shallow waters. Yeah, this tree here is normally productive, but normally during the spawn. But during this time, this is what you want to fish. You want to fish stuff that's got laydowns in it. You want to fish that if it's deep enough. During the spawn, you can fish real shallow. But right now, I'm just seeing if maybe there's a crappie there hanging out. Just never know. Like there's one right there. There's one. Yeah, there's one. There's a crappie. I'm talking about right there, guys. You'll never know. Fishing about a foot deep. You never know. Till you throw a jig in there. Jig it around. Oh, there we go. There's a crappie. There's a crappie. There's the old crappie. That's right. It's a nice size keeper there. Alright, let's see if we can get on some crappie. Can we get on some crappie? Ooh. Hey. There was something. Something was playing. Just like that. Oh, we got a nice one here. We got here catfish. I will say we got a nice one. We got a catfish. Little catfish. Always want to be in the show, huh? Hit it on the fall. You hit it on the fall. Yeah, buddy. Got one to glow. Nice size keeper crappie. Let's let him go. You hit that one on the fall. You wanted that one to glow. Maybe.